Hey, hello, good morning. How are you? How did you wake up? Today I'm going to teach you why you should be just not trusting um online experts or gurus. It's pretty common nowadays for people to just record some videos like I am doing here, show your face with a suit on, and you can recognize them. Some are wearing casual or a suit, or it depends. I mean, everybody wants to portray a different style, sorry, a different style, and they seem to be just, knowledgeable about something. They say they have, just knowledge about any topic, like business, money, who knows what, how to make clients, marketing, or whatnot, or health, or weight loss. I tell you this. Anybody, just anybody, just meet a random person on the street, and then let's say everyone has a purpose in their heads, right? So one wants to lose weight, for example, and the other one wants to only make money. So there's someone who obviously knows about this need, and they just climb up the stairs, the poorly drawn stairs. They just climb this up, and then they just come and tell you a speech. And just because they are doing this online, it doesn't mean they really have the expertise. So, just make sure they are giving to you relevant information. It has to be relevant on the topic. It doesn't count if they are only telling you about motivation or just quoting Buddha, which is a really common way to just coming and doing this. This is not something that, or whoever, this is not what it is done for. All right, so just make sure they are giving you data. So you need the data on the topic, strategies, etc. And then you need them to be clear. They have to give you some kind of clue about what they are really doing, not just encouraging you to motivate yourself for nothing. I mean, if you are, usually they just charge for a course, so this person here, let's say she sells her course for $3,000, and then the course is not even related to your topic, or anything. So you have to make sure that she knows what she's saying. So she has to speak clearly, not just motivation stuff, because it's everywhere online. Anybody can do it. And also make sure they give you something interesting before purchasing any course. And but the most important thing about it is that they will try to make you think that you can do all this just by purchasing the course. If that's the case, just do not know. Any change like this, any businesses, money, clients, marketing, whatever, weight loss change needs a lot of effort. So they have to remind you or encourage you to put the work in. If you don't put the work in, nothing will work. So you know how it goes. All right, so just for you to know, just for you to have a thought, and try to choose the right experts. And if you don't have any expert to follow, there's no problem. Just try your own strategies, write them down, make your own plan. What are your abilities? Let me see if this is blank. Let me see. Your abilities. This is a horrible writing I have. Abilities. Your personal ones, yes. Whatever you do in your free time, whatever you do and you're really proud about, whatever it is, I don't care. Just make a list of it, and you'll find many topics you can actually work in. And then your time. Then if you want to put effort or not. And then your goals with this, or this is involved. And then with these goals, you just have to make little steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Let's say one day, 1 week. I don't care. I just make it, Step 4 is results. For example, you have to go through all the steps, and then if it doesn't work, just repeat, change the step. Instead of marketing on Facebook, just market on, I don't know, Google AdWords, anything. Just do it and then change it until it works. If you see a result, next step, until you get results. Okay, if you don't succeed, this is how you build muscle. This is how you build relationships. I'm sorry to tell. This is it. All right, so I hope I kind of helped you in any way. Just don't believe anything you see on the internet. If you want to try something, just make your steps, goals based on your abilities, and you will find the way to you'll find the way. We are all seeking for something better, so just take it easy and be gentle sometimes, but try harder. Okay. Well, I hope this helped you, and just take care. And any question you have, just feel free to ask me. I'm not charging you for any course or anything. It is just my thoughts and whatever works for me. So, good luck. Keep in contact. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you.